recording is on. Fantastic. Right. So just one day I stopped the classes and become brain. Yesterday I could not take even from 11th class. Okay. Right, I think I can start now. Time has come. Yes. 6.2, we are in the question number 9 is over. Mark. Question number 10, we need to complete today at whatever may be the case. We have to close 6.2 today, so we're taking a lot of time. But it's a very, very tight topic and very, very interesting topic. And you get a question, 100% question for at least 3 marks. Okay, even 1 mark is possible and 2 marks is possible. Okay, so definitely a question is there in this exercise. Right. Now coming to question number 10. Okay, just I go a little faster, please kindly follow it. Know that logarithmic function is strictly increasing in 0 to infinity. So when we didn't give a function here, okay, function is not given, but we can take it as log x to the base c. Whenever he says the logarithmic function, you can take it as log x to the base e, not any base mark. It should be base c. When he says logarithmic function, it should be base e. Right side 0 to infinity, why he has given that the interval is 0 to infinity? Log is defined for only positive values, so it is between 0 to infinity. Means what? X is positive. X is positive. It's very, very important. Why the interval is fixed like that? That's also important for us. Simply, blind the interval possible for this log x is 0 to infinity. This whole interval, you have to prove that log function is an increasing function. It's an increasing function mark. Increasing function means what? You have to prove that f dash x is greater than or equal to 0 mark. Friends, this is too crude here. This is too crude. So your y dash or f of x mark, f dash x equal to 1 by x plus. As I told you earlier, since x cannot be 0, x is more than 0 here, so function is fully defined, 1 by x is fully defined. At the same time, 1 by x is always greater than 0. Always greater than 0. 1 by x will be always greater than 0. There is no problem in telling it is strictly increasing. Yes, we said that strictly increasing. Yes, strictly increasing. Why? Because it is strictly increasing is greater than 0. Yes. So 1 by x is always positive. I told you some years back. I think. Do you remember? So we know that, right? Like this, we know that 1 by x is more than 0, hence f dash x is more than 0, which implies f of x is strictly increasing. Strictly increasing. Is it clear now, please? That is question number 10. Yes. Please, just 1 minute. I hope it is clear. No one is speaking. Update. What happened?
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Question number 11. Prove that the function given by f of x equal to x square minus x plus 1 is neither increasing nor decreasing in the interval minus 1 to 1 mark. Minus 1 to 1. Neither strictly decreasing nor strictly increasing. Neither strictly increasing, that means what? You will have this minus 1 to 1, you can split into two intervals. In one interval, it may be increasing, other interval it is decreasing. Therefore, you can say that it is neither increasing nor decreasing, my dear. So, throughout this interval, the nature of the function is not uniform. That's why you are able to say that. You have to say that you could say once the function is not uniform throughout the interval, then it is of the nature of neither increasing nor decreasing. Okay? Right. F dash x equals to 2x minus 1. Okay? We know we can take to find the turning point, take 2x minus 1 equal to 0, which implies 2x equal to 1, which implies x equal to 1 by 2. So this interval minus 1 to 1, you can break at half. So if you one interval, the second interval, you take the two intervals. In one interval it will be increasing, other interval it is decreasing. Therefore, in the interval minus 1 to 1, it is neither increasing, neither strictly increasing, nor strictly decreasing. And it is solala. This. The rule minus 1 to half. Take x equal to 0. 1 by 2 to 1. Take x equal to 3 by 4. This is f dash x. F dash x is 2x minus 1. Put x equal to 0, it becomes minus 1 less than 0, decreasing. Strictly decreasing. But put 3 by 4 here. Put 3 by 4 here, ma. Put 3 by 4 here, you get 3 by 2 minus 1. It is a greater than 0. So strictly increasing. Therefore, see, in this interval it is decreasing, in this interval it is strictly increasing. Throughout the interval minus 1 to 1, it is neither increasing nor decreasing. Please follow this. Please follow this. I hope you understand. Siddharth,
Yes,
clear
sir.
ma? Yeah. Okay. So, நமக்கு வந்து தேவையானதுன்னா இந்த interval minus 1 to 1 வந்து it is not uniform. Okay, in the part of the decreasing strictly, in the part of the strictly increasing because the greater, the lesser. Okay, therefore, throughout the interval, it's not uniform. Hence, it is neither strictly increasing nor strictly decreasing, my dear. So, second question is also over, dear. Come on, let's move on to question number 12. Question number 12. Right, ma. Let us question number 12 mark, one more question. Which of the following was strictly decreasing? Strictly decreasing in the interval 0 to pi by 2 years. Friends, this is cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x, tan x. This is a very interesting question here. What does this mean? Strictly decreasing interval 0 to pi by 2? X belongs to 0 to pi by 2. Please understand this. When x belongs to 0 to pi by 2, 2x belongs to 0 to pi by 3x belongs to 0 to 3 pi by 2. Just multiply 2 here, multiply 3 here, x. Multiply 2 here, 2x, multiply 3. Why? Because there are 2x and 3x and x. So basically, whenever they give the interval, interval is related to that variable x, the domain x. X belongs to 0 to pi by 2 years. So 2x belongs to 0 to pi, 3x belongs to 0 to 3 pi by 2. Whatever. Each of the functions is strictly decreasing in 0 to pi by 2, friends. Yeah. Cos x derivative y is cos x, y is cos 2x, y is cos 3x, and y equal to tan x. Y dash equal to cot x. X ரொம்ப simple, tan x, cot x. We know that cot x in the first quadrant, x is 0 to pi by 2, cot x is positive ds. Therefore, strictly increasing ds. Answer is here, this is the right answer. Identical y dash is minus sin x. Now, x, we are talking about x minus x. X is 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2, first quadrant, sin x is positive, but minus sin x is positive, minus sin x is negative. Please. This is 0 to pi first and second quadrant. So y dash equal to minus 2 sin 2x. Of course, 2 sin 2x is positive, but minus 2 sin 2x is negative, therefore it is decreasing. Same way, this also cos 3x, you get y dash equal to minus 3 sin 3x. 3 sin 3x is neither positive nor negative because it goes for first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant. So in the first and second quadrants, it is sorry. So it is also neither. So increasing, decreasing both, therefore it's not. This is the right answer. What a beautiful question. Please take it up. I hope it is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Sir, but they're asking strictly decreasing, right, sir? But that tan is increasing. They're asking us to.
Wait. Something wrong here. Yes. Now you can. Yes, now you
Yes,
can.
sir. They're asking us to find. I mean, they're asking us still which of the following functions are strictly. I mean, not strictly decreasing, right, sir? But tan is strictly increasing.
Yeah, tan x is strictly increasing. Yes.
But they're asking us to find the decreasing, right, sir?
Strictly decreasing or increasing?
They asked for decreasing, sir.
Oh, okay. Decreasing, right? Okay. No. Question part. Question number. Yes, ma. Question number. Yes. Decreasing part. Yes. Yeah, they are strictly decreasing in 0 to pi by 2, but then it's a minus sin x. Sin x is positive. Yes, this is the right answer, ma. Sorry. It's strictly increasing. This is strictly decreasing part. Yeah, strictly decreasing they asked, right? Yeah, strictly decreasing. I'm sorry. Strictly decreasing part. Yes. So sin x is positive, minus sin x is negative part. So these are the two things, ma. A and B are the correct answers.
Sir, I have another question, sir. How did you how are you just multiplying the 2x and finding the interval like that?
Yeah. See, just think about this one. The question is 0 to 5. Okay? The given interval is 0 to 5. The given interval is for x only. That you can take it for granted.
Okay, sir.
Given interval is for x. For 2x, it should be multiple of this one, right? 2 multiple. 2 into 0, 2 into pi by 2. For 3x, 3 pi by 2. So, like that, you take this 2x and it's the first and second quadrant. 3x and 0 to 3 pi by 2 means first, second, third. So, this is the outright, this is the increasing function. Cot x is positive in the first quadrant, so strictly increasing. Sorry, strictly decreasing. I'm sorry. Yeah. But you look at this one, cos x minus sin x. Sin x is positive, minus sin x is negative, so strictly decreasing. Here, strictly decreasing. But this one, neither decreasing nor increasing. It is strictly.
Sir, the sin x would in the second one when you're doing for cos 2x, in that case, since the thing is for 0 to pi, sin is positive in the second quadrant, right, sir? It can be, but right?
It's not only. Listen. In the first and second, in both the quadrants, sign is positive. That's why I wrote 2 sin 2x is positive here.
Yes, sir. I got it, sir. I got it. Sorry. Yeah, I got it now.
Right. 2 sin 2x is positive. So minus 2 sin 2x is negative. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir. I understand.
That's all. But this one, 3 sin 3x another. First, second, third. First, second positive, third negative. Or what positive or what negative or not. Two nature or both the natures are possible. Yes. This is outrightly strictly increasing. Okay. I thought, yeah, decreasing the answer. Therefore, A and B are the correct answers. Right. Clear. Okay, but coming to question number 13. 13, Palanga, beautiful question, please. You try it, and let me know the answer for this. Question number 13, the function given as f of x is x power 100 plus sin x minus 1. Okay, f dash x is 100 x power 99 plus cos x. Okay, friends, here the interval on which of the following interval the given function is strictly decreasing. Strictly decreasing, and now f dash x should be less than 0 years. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You take this first interval 100 x power 99 plus cos x. My dears, you take 0 to 1 interval. 0 to 1 interval 0 and 1. When I take this one, when I take for this x cos, you should consider this as radians, please. Okay? So 1 and this is a 57 degree part. So it is the first quadrant. First quadrant is positive, this is also positive, so positive plus positive for 0 to 1. If x belongs to 0 to 1, f dash x is positive. So it is strictly increasing, number 1. X belongs to second one, pi by 2 to pi. Okay? Pi by 2 to pi is second quadrant minus. Second quadrant cos is negative. Yes or no? Cos is negative, but whatever may be that negative, it can be maximum negative is what for minus 1. Yes or no? Cos x or negative value for minus 1.
Yes, sir.
But pi by 2 and pi, the value is more than 1. Yes or no? Pi by
Yes,
2
sir.
to pi and 3.14. Pi by 2 and 1.57. Therefore, the value in the interval x is more than 1.57. If you power it, it will go bigger and bigger. This will be beyond. It's a very big It's a very big value. Yes. So it is a positive. It's strictly increasing. I hope you are able to follow me. Cos x is second quadrant. Cos x is negative, no doubt. What negativity it will have it? How much negativity will have it? Maximum. Worst case, it will go to -1. So this is the -1. But whereas the value of 100 into x power 99 is very, very big mark. You take this 100 into x power 99, 1.57 whole power 99, you can't imagine this bigness. That's why it's a very, very big means what? Greater, greater, greater 1. This is the symbol we write it. Very, very big. It's a quite bigger than 1. Bigger than 1 minus 1 is more than 0, strictly increasing. My second interval takes. Third interval per 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2, cos x is positive, both are positive, must strictly increasing, therefore D is none of this is the right answer. So that's the only possibility for strictly decreasing whoever it is, okay? We don't know who it is, okay? There is no interval given, okay? Yes.
Sir, could you tell me how you did the first one from 0 to 1? Could you just repeat that?
Yeah, 0 to 1. See, pi by 2 means what? Pi by 2 means what? 1.57. 1 means what? 1 only. That's 1 means what is that angle? 1 radian means what? 57 degrees.
57. Yes, sir.
So it's the first quadrant, right? First quadrant, cos is positive. And I'll tell you one more thing. I'll tell you one more. Just you do like this. This is a basic thing. But if you want
Yes,
me to explain, if you want me to explain this in a better way, yes. When it is going to be negative, when it is going to be negative, unless x is negative, you can't get the negative value. Please understand this.
yes, sir.
If x is negative and x is negative and it should be more than, yeah, x is negative, koncham possibility irukappa. X is negative, then this may be negative.
Sir, x can be 0 also, right, sir?
Yeah.
I mean, if for cos to be negative, it has to be in pi, right, sir? So if it was pi, then it would become.
Even if it is a negative, see, this is not negative. Pi by 2 to pi and it's not negative. Cos is negative. X is pi by 2 to pi. X is what? 1.57 to 3.14. What is the value of x? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, please try to understand what I am saying here. If I assume the x value is negative, please. Only when x is negative, this whole thing may become negative. Whole thing will become negative. Therefore,
Right.
there is no option x is negative. All the three are x is positive, x is positive, x is positive. Therefore, fourth option, none of this is the right answer, my dear. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right, next one. So you only in the model, please you follow me. I think this is you are getting the grip of it or not.
Yes, sir. I just have one last question. Is it like, I mean, you're just converting when you're using x as value, you're just converting it from pi by 2 to 1.57. Is that how it works?
Just to understand. Otherwise, actually, I told you clearly, if x is only negative, x is strictly decreasing cater. Yeah, x is only negative, the whole thing will become negative. Then you can say strictly decreasing. No
Yes,
such
sir.
option is given. First option x is positive, second option x is positive. Panna teva illana solra. Now panniti kaamichavangalku. Okay, I have explained you.
But I mean, yeah, I got the concept, sir. But we can just convert like the degrees into 3.14 like that. That's what we can do.
Exactly. You need we understand only in degrees, okay? Radians is not our cup of tea, right?
Yes,
or
sir.
no? Yeah. Okay. Here x is the angle, okay? Here x is whatever is given angle, given value, okay? I hope it's clear, Siddharth. Siddharth? 14th one, yes, 14th one, it's a brilliant one, ma. Small correction, interval, you take it as 1, 2 pa. On the interval, please take, this is the exclusive 1, 2 pa. Strictly increasing in 1, 2, the function is given as f of x equals to x square plus ax plus 1. Find the value of a, find the least value of a. Least value of a, please. Anyway, if it is strictly increasing means what? My f dash x should be 2x plus a, right? For us, it is strictly increasing means it should be more than 0, right? So 2x plus a is more than 0. A is more than minus 2x, right? And the interval is given as x belongs to 1, 2, right? So put x equals to 1, put x equal to 1 and x equal to 2, though they are not equal to 1 and 2, we are taking the extremes, okay? And a is more than minus 4 mark. Therefore, the least value minus 2 here and minus 4 here, the least value is going to be minus 4 mark. The least value of x is minus 4 mark. This is the least and this is the highest. It's not, the interval should not be given as this one, okay? In this case, if I take 1 and 2, between 1 and 2, now I take 1 and 2 and I will put it as, put x equal to 1 like this thing, okay? Now, you get it. So, minus 4 is the least value and minus 2 is the highest value. Therefore, the least value is minus 4 years. Is it clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, by exam, x is not 1, x is not 2, but you take 1 and 2 at the same time is a is more than minus 2x, or strictly increasing, but you are taking it as greater than or equal to because x is not 1, but we are taking it as a 1. Therefore, a is more than or equal to minus 2, a is more than or equal to.
In the textbook, they're using inclusive brackets, sir.
Yeah?
In the textbook, they're using inclusive brackets. That means x can be 1 and 2, right, sir?
Not correct. It is not correct. It's not correct.
Okay, sir.
It is 1, 2. It's exclusive bracket. Then here we can take, if I take x equal to 1, which is out of bounds, therefore I can put equal. However, it doesn't matter, please take it, and the value of, minimum value of x is minus 4 per. Highest we can't say. So least value is minus 4 mark. A is greater than or equal to minus 4 in the start point of this. Okay, this why because there are two possibilities. A is greater than or equal to minus 4, one least only. Okay, greater than or equal to minus 2 means in the pole. So this cannot be the out of these two, which is the least value. Na? Minus 4 is the least value. Yes. Clear? Any confusion? I'll post the solution if you want in the group. You watch it. Between 1 and 2 pa. Between 1 and 2.
Sir, I think my only confusion is that that inclusive bracket bit and how you're like writing equal to over there.
Okay. See, I'll tell you like this now, please. If I take this as an inclusive bracket, okay, I will be putting x equal to 2 here. Okay, x equal to 2 means what do I get? Tell me, please. Try to understand this point. X equal to 2, right? X equal to 1. 2x plus, here x is 2, I put 2 into 2 plus a is more than 0. 4 plus a is more than 0. A is more than 4, you get. A is more than minus 4, you get. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's why I'm telling you it's not inclusive bracket.
Oh, right. Since we're trying to find the a value.
Now I take x equal to 2, but I will put greater than or equal to 0. I hope it's clear. Okay, I once again I will repeat. You please.
I mean, the only reason you're writing that thing is because you want to find the value of a. Is that why we're doing that?
That's it. Yes, 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 yes. If you want to find the value of a, you have to fix that. This is 2 means a is more than -4. Okay. If it is not 2, then a is -4. I
Right,
think
sir.
I'll try to explain a better way. I know that I failed to explain it clearly. That's how I can understand. Yes, I will try to make it better. Okay, I'll give a better solution than this. I'll try to explain. Okay, in another class. Okay, 15th one part. Let I be the interval disjoint of -1 to 1 par minus par mark. Let I be the interval disjoint of I is disjoint of -1 to 1. That means what? I equals to R minus -1 to 1. That is the meaning of disjoint, yes. Prove that the function is given by f of x equal to x plus 1 by x is strictly increasing. Forward, please. Strictly increasing one. Siddharth is done. F dash x is 1, x derivative is 1, and what is the derivative of 1 by x? Minus 1 by x square man. Okay? Yes or no, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes, between -1 and 1 mark, for any value you put, at x equal to 0, it is not defined mark. At x equal to 0, it is not defined. Why? At x equal to 0, what will happen to this function?
It would become not defined, sir.
Okay, now what I do is, you take this equal to 0 here, 1 minus 1 by x square equal to 0, 1 equal to 1 by x square, which implies x square equal to 1, x equal to.
It's plus or minus 1, sir.
So now our -1 to 1, and this is minus infinity, 1, 2, 3 mark. You take the intervals, and I will show you that except in the second interval, everywhere it is strictly increasing. It's increasing here strictly. It is increasing here strictly. But here it is not so. That is the reason, please. Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
You take -infinity to -1. You know this method, right?
Yes, sir. Drawing the table, just taking a value and then putting it in the function.
X value, x value, x value, and f dash x. F dash x is this. You put in f dash x, it is less than 0. This is greater than 0, less than 0. This is not defined mark. It's not defined here. It's not neither positive nor negative here, because between -1 to 1 at 0 it's not defined. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it is strictly increasing. It is strictly increasing except at this. So formula. Please. Are you clear? Understand, please? Clear? So except at -1 to 1, except at -1 to 1, everywhere it is increasing. What? Really? I hope it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So, next one, please. 14th one, 15th one, 16th one. Next. 16th one, yes. Prove that the function f of x equals to log of cos x. Concentrate, please concentrate. Log of cos x. Log of sin x or log of cos x, please. Check your textbook and tell me.
The 17th one, sir.
16th one.
Oh, log of sin x.
Sin x. Strictly increasing in the interval 0 to pi by 2 mark. Friends, here f dash x you do it. What is f dash x ma? 1 by sin x, and derivative of sin x is cos x. That's nothing but cot x. Friends, 0 to pi by 2 is the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, cot x is positive, yes. Therefore, it is strictly increasing. However, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
17th one formula, same type of question, f of x equal to log of cos x modulus is strictly decreasing on 0 to pi by 2 and strictly increasing 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Martha, please just look at this again. Wonderful question, by the way. The modulus recombos. Siddharth, be careful with this mark, please. This question is very dangerous. F of x is log of mod of cos x. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ என்ன ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಅನ್ನೋದು Yeah. Right, ma, right. Or please, here is
Sir, I
log
have a
of sin.
question. How will you
Yeah.
differentiate? How will you differentiate when there's a modulus, sir?
Hey, that's why I'm coming to that. See, this is without modulus, this is modulus, right?
Yes, sir.
You cannot differentiate when there is a modulus, first thing. Okay? But you have to remove that modulus. When you can remove say mod x equals to x when x is positive. Write down this. Mod x is minus x when x is less than 0. X equal to 0 now mod x equal to 0. This is the definition of modulus of a function. And the modulus உள்ள வந்து x இருந்ததுன்னா இந்த மாதிரி வரும். அதே same modulus உள்ள cos x இருந்ததுன்னா mod of cos x is cos x when cos x is positive. Cos x equals to minus of cos x when cos x is negative, like that. Okay? Now, friends, when cos x is positive, here cos x is positive or not? 0 to pi by 2.
Yes, sir.
Fourth quadrant. This is fourth quadrant. In both the quadrants, it is positive.
It's positive, sir.
Therefore, f of x equal to log of cos x. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
That's our same question now. F dash x equals to 1 by cos x into minus sin x. That's called minus tan x now. So f dash x equals to minus tan x. 0 to pi by 2. Tan x is positive, but minus tan x is negative. 0 to pi by 2, tan x is positive, but minus tan x is negative. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So it is decreasing, strictly decreasing this. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Same way you do again. F dash x is minus tan x. Fourth quadrant, tan x is negative. Negative plus negative is positive. Negative and negative is positive. F dash x is minus tan x. X belongs to 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. We
It
are
will be
doing this
decreasing
way.
in the. Yeah, it's correct, sir.
In fourth quadrant, tan is negative. Negative and negative is positive. Positive one is strictly increasing. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Siddharth is not there. Why is he doing like that?
I think he said last time is internet problems, sir. He said the last time was some internet issue, right, sir?
Oh, okay. No, I don't think. Okay. 17th is clear, ma, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Next one is 18th one, ma. Same 18th we have done for this several times. 18th you try it. 19th one, let us do the last question, please. Y equal to x square e power minus x is increasing in which interval? Increasing in which interval, ma? Paringa, please. Intervals are given. So whatever y dash equal to or f dash x equal to is UV formula, pa. X square derivative of e power minus x is e power minus x and derivative of minus x is minus 1 plus e power minus x into 2x. So you take x into e power minus x common, you get minus x plus 2. I hope it is clear. UV formula for nothing is there, ma.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Right?
I have a the power of e can never be negative, no, sir. So x has to be a negative value.
Yeah, see, you need to go by interval, ma. Minus infinity to infinity. Okay? You take is it increasing and சொல்ல முடியுமா? If x is negative, ma, please. Suppose if I take x is negative, this is negative, this is always positive, and this become negative plus negative is positive, ma. Okay? So this is negative part. So it is not increasing. You can't say increasing or decreasing here because this is such a whole interval is there, ma. Okay? X negative
Yes,
ana oru behave ஆகுது, x positive ana oru மாதிரி behave ஆகுது. Okay. When I take minus 2 to 0, pa, minus 2 to 0, I take x equal to minus 1, ma. Put x equal to minus 1 means negative, positive, and minus 1 means it is positive, pa. So once again less than 0, no answer. Are you able to follow me?
yes, sir.
2 to infinity, put x equal to 3. If I put 3, this is positive, this is positive, this is negative, ma. So once again, this is negative, no answer. So D is the right answer, 0 to 2. Put x equal to 1. 1 and a positive, positive. And this is a minus 1 plus 2 is positive, right? So it's the positive, therefore the D is the right answer, my dear. So okay, clear, ba? Right? Okay. Now, so we have completed this exercise, but only problem is you need to change the 14th question, you need to change the interval to 1, 2, and I will give you a proper solution for 14th question. I will post it in the WhatsApp group. Okay, right? Thank you, pa. Any other questions, Prit?
No, I don't think so, sir. I think I got the concept. I just need to practice sums now. I'll do that.
You keep working, pa. Though it is difficult, keep working. You have got the basics proper, I think, right? It takes time, okay? It takes
Yes,
time.
sir.
Once you start understanding, right, your confidence will grow. Not that we know each and every question. Who knows each and every question? Don't worry about that. Still, we will be doing mistakes. Please don't worry about that part. Did I understand the concept? Am I able to do some basic questions? That's how you should start.
Yes, sir.
Because you have a 2 to 3 months time, right, to write this exam. So be alert for it. Okay, we don't know when they will keep the exam. Maybe September, October, not possible. Mostly in the December, I think they may keep. We don't know. So
Yes,
get
sir.
ready for it. Each and every exercise, each and every question. Wherever question is not clarity, there is some ambiguity. Please round it off the question in the textbook and let us discuss that around you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Thank you. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.